News coming through. One say and Reggie Kotoko, any can face our ball, MTNFA Cup, or Baba Sports Stadium. In the second half, Sante Kotoko deputy captain, Lord Amwa, he was pulled out. He was forced out as a substitution due to player when you knock on the field. And on the particular day, the preliminary information we had was that player and I know no kakra. Therefore, it is ruling him out of Kotoko next fixture against Brekum Chelsea. Two for Yankopon Yadoma, say Yesu Christo Maya Tosumi no ama Sunday 3:30. We are not going to see Habet. We are not going to see Lord Amwa feature in that particular group. But then the good news is that we have a backup, and the backup is fully ready. Who is set to feature for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Details and more. Ewa ha mede Asia ewo fie ha. Jeff Fono Ashem Rebi say sa oboboa and the football we are in the advanced era. Inti sa oboboa ye bobo ni we are in 24 hours. That football game I boy you should post the video highlights on your YouTube channel. And on a boy Emma Ghana football get the necessary mileage. Therefore, so a club no one ya your mrano asudi or see a do. Now I'm reliably informed and net anope say clubs for Brekum Chelsea, Basaki Holy Stars, Hoho United, Gold Stars. Ya sanction by failure to do this. YouTube channel, I saying, and I'm going to be creating YouTube channel. I'm going to post two highlights of your games. I told you I say Ghana football, but sometimes these clubs almost sweating. These clubs, to be real honest, sometimes almost sweating because I did be a while and yet I did was here training time. Just post their video. And what's them to say? This sad news about Esawa for Ghana. And now, also Kudus Mohammed to see or Tottenham and Shadan click him manesa and I was a kunya injury. Weekend game more boy or key injury. Now and now coach I for the Thomas Frank a press conference ahead of a midweek fixture and as a post match crowd. And I also said the Ghanaian international is going out for I think 4 months. Hey, he's serious. Now 4 months. The implication is that 4 months there. By 4 months time, World Cup near and Chassis. Neighbor no Ghana and Germany were friendly Libya. And no there, he's going to miss that particular game. Yes, this is the information I'm getting. Benjamin Asare and Accra Sufu consensus. Coach Didi didn't send me to I think say Didi can step the feet on this particular issue now resolving it. But I'm told to say Coach Didi I catch the goalkeeper's trainer, which is Najao. What guy Najao? No, your Kotoko goalkeeper's trainer. Let's see your call has because Tamana Didi Kotoko I think say on also no until Unya Duman or Fred. But the information I'm getting is say Didi I can't see me actually say has to book for next game or mobile ball against Hoho United. Utu for Yankopon Yadoma weekend, One man instruction on the goalkeeper or me select a goalkeeper bena or select it. No one so some kakrawa ha fabulous census. The news is that it has been handed to Asante Kotoko management because of the from the management to the supporters leadership, and the supporters leadership of Asante Kotoko is who is the circles Solomon Ofusuare and then a Pamfo and also your home in some kakrawa ha de ebro ewufia Ahmed Fati coach and Rich a reporter or person resign now Oba Kotoko no many updates kakra also the Asia ewa hasi. Then the news of the day, Faisal Charwatey to Kumasi Asante Kotoko saying all the latest be the Asia ewufia me pa cho obebo subscribe no so no about do man so na ya build it together. Information be bring no we ase. Na for us here, we make sure we filter the news. Sabunika say filter, am use ka dey some filter. Filter na boy yi fi ni ade. Nti ye sunny news no so ni yi fi na gu baabi. Na ye de wo se nipa ete ni edi ho nkomo, edi ho abobo ni ate point no. Ye the back platform kesi so because platform yi kuku danfo na ehwe. Mo platform yi madarma na meti baabi. Anopa ye sorry ya adwena ye kotoko o se news de akubia no ye de update no ihia mo ewofia ha na mo na mama platform no enya baabi engina ewo YouTube say go YouTube now kotoko news today super 24 na emom ye besere me wiase otumfo nyankopon ko na ihia mo a ye nipa ye wa ate asefo asase obi ahia mo a nti sa wo hwe na opese so ya se a wo dwadie bi na opese ye bohu dawuru ma wa beso na wa freme na ye de ho nkomo ye beba be ye adwuma na ma ye hia sponsors because afuwe no nyoma ye pese ye no doso especially for Asante Kotoko nti sa wo video no na ka wa koma na opese obeboa you just get in touch with me on my personal number na ye hu nhihye ye pono so no ekwan a befa so aye nyoma afi jiwe 0247 107260 0247 107260 me number Asante Kotoko Reaction International say Opegana Kotoko WhatsApp platform ba ko very engaging na academician na empenifo historians na young guys young girls Kotoko former players Kotoko players enamfofo Kotoko players abusuafo ye nyina collective platform ba ko wo so a ye di Kotoko ho abobo ene Kotoko ho ate poya Kotoko international reaction o WhatsApp me na uma mi se o Kotoko krobia ni a ye do beto so na ye so nkomo no ye di no ho ye the extended platform of this particular YouTube channel. Once a YouTube na me na me begina ha na ma ye nsem no me dia begu but mo betima comment na emu no also person o ka bia Kotoko platform no a friend international reaction no and also be fa so na o de ide na o de join Asante Kotoko reaction no 0247 107260. Your views will be aired right here on YouTube. But I say bebre to funyankopon inshallah afi mamenko nsem without much I do Jeff4 Ashemra and no medical kan Basaki Holy Stars Hoho United any team and friend Go Stars Brekum Chelsea ya momo sanction say omo upload omo highlights but ayemra inter watch them so Asante Kotoko tembia no ne de no o make sure say oyeden udiso nti teams me enan a make omo ase me no ka say GF4 no twe o maso den. The unfortunate news are Eba from Ghana to Ghana, big hit to Ghana. Once an ano na Salisu Mohammed or Monaco and apply for ACL anterior cruciate ligaments or cut out or no the enocradia is drawing to the World Cup. But the bomb said before the World Cup and the Besson and Watton and then Rich ya so could do so. Omokoye scan almost almost be call out for April. Let's just say Ghana friendly game eba so on the March yani Germany sa game way me sure say a team for more Germany we try ticket ama super na Germany so ba be hwe me ni su kakra e wo Germany bijimudi pa ntimunya wad na Germany yenhia Germany. Unfortunately for that particular game, I can confirm that Salisu and Kudus is out. Any Germany game, any the official, and also any news can cry was said Medemang Benjamin Asare, any crowds who focus says some me and video I may so many calls, and I think say the right thing to do for House of Folk has has 4 slots back to the World Cup. Kotoko slot back. Kotoko the end clear see. Kotoko de ne be clear Kotoko player de ne be ko World Cup no e be clear only when mrene be so a Kotoko player or form nti Kotoko players efutu na me de mamo Patrick Asiedu Lord Amoa me woni news wa ha Animu of one, Fimfi of one, Samba, no, and Ghana need the automatic sport. Benjamin Asare, has for coach, I catch a goalkeeper's trainer and they say, uncommunicated to him this week. 2 goalkeepers, Solomon Agbazi and Benjamin Asare. 2 goalkeepers are on my ball, Mohammed pan, training on Canchano. Sir, you are born Homoden or then the best starting. It is the horror, but information we are hearing is saying Benjamin Asare airborne Homoden, training in on only then before. But sir, in case this Solomon a born Homoden, coach, on you Benjamin Asare, now me. Sa World Cup ni na Benjamin Asare te bench a enya dia no Ghana Blasters na ebeka se ye kofa has goalkeeper te bench no akoda World Cup amayo ene sa na te dia unkobi obekobi nko na also starting no dem no he has number 1 so kotena bench a or out suggestion ide ma ze zo ni zo ntimi no nso no obeba Kotoko me fight so betima be Kotoko number 1 a Kamara kono betima be Kotoko number 1 a no I think say we any issue. This is no issue because the coach of Arts of Football a very main use word by cry. So coach, you be sorry to say or be and I know they did question. He's not going to sacrifice this slot for a class of football. Also, my Benjamin Asare Neda. Nasem. Ahmed Fati, Swedro Oblast coach, Swedro Oblast for na catch and say, Master, so would dear grow do be FIFA. So would dear grow do be FIFA. So would dear grow do be FIFA. So would dear do mano. Now one several obligations. Ya do be FIFA. Inti Amazi say no so niyam cheshino. Because Kotoko penny ko catch and say here and we play about Kotoko 10%. Go to Galam say fair chile over. But Swedro for no so man of pressure pan. Pressure Swedro for the man no and yasem to a cry. It's and also the latest news on that. Yes, I see in the Elkobia and also the upbeat, a bro on the road super no so. Afi Asante Kotoko. Number 2, Lord Amwa. From where I sit now, meet me, I confirm. He said Kotoko versus Bekum Chelsea is going to be out, and a long-term injury though. He's sitting out for no any personal good because Kotoko de Faisal no player ni tian na so pa, and then I know no posse, but I'm told he said intinibiante. But if you get severe injury, like severe deep cuts, it causes the body to swell. And a man and I know a huno yem. Nemo no, and yet injury I require surgery. Therefore, subsequent Asante Kotoko games are a walk Kotoko and Nimono, and the technical team have decided to sit him out. So I said that a bad news, but so you football and some of these things are bound to happen. Into your fan na you're moving. No. The good news about it is that Asante Kotoko registered the returnee from injury, which is Emmanuel Korte. We signed Emmanuel Korte from Insuatreman some 2 or 3 years ago, and Emmanuel Korte Tamana Lord Munyama, he was super. I Kotoko ni asek mimosa. I am to tell you, my Emmanuel Korte played very well under Coach Prosper Ogum. Emmanuel Korte was a significant figure until the injury nearby. So, Kotoko versus Bekum Chelsea. The good news is that Emmanuel Korte may be returning for Premier League football after going off. So Korte will definitely be returning for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. For Kotoko versus Bekum Chelsea. This is what we are picking. And so when it means so returning, I'm told to say Joseph Amwa will be used as a right back. This is information I mensa from that update. So it is not too much of a headache for Kumasi Asante Kotoko saying Lord Amwa Mexi game now. Lord Amwa Mixi game now Ebeha Dream because Kote is already in the recovered mood. But all but 90 minutes no. And Ebeye Diama na ebitimi starting from the bench or probably start and he will be substituted. Another information it's like I Kotoko ne agona fast track for an SDA game no. Obobi or start say Sabo no kwa ball no park na enye so like second division park crowd with me ebe start how much more baba yara until we are hopeful say sa game no obetimi aba na wabebo Kumasi Asante Kotoko ukuma pema pembeba isabutu yeva ekutwa lotu. Now the search for a striker to replace Abetamuano still now this time around. In Premino say this is the biggest headache of Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, because they no the Kotoko be ko be an sensem kakra ho. And let me reiterate again saying aka 9 days near close to transfer window no. Yes, and then 9th, you be close to the 16th. Almost 8 days. Nah, I also got to Kotiskato. Bernard Elvis are there, no. It take a different twist altogether because the player is currently under contract. Our Nigeria club. It's a no soon seminal. Before so Niger club no ever strike deal. No more agree, na medical sa koso, na player na sign no. Satam na be a 9 days no Inti Kotoko based on another information I second say Kotoko has decided to turn attention to Nation FC player about who Faisal Charwatey. This season on Shadanye exceptional sir. Last season he was very iconic, scoring almost 15 goals in the entire season for Nations FC. And the news is that Kotoko attending focus on him and he has been added to Kotoko players Omabeka Radano Kotoko Epese Obusayo.